Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss pattern as an examination 2011 paper 1. I'm going to give all the relevant section against each question. Question number 1 and pattern application means answer is F. All of the above. Question number 2. The term of a patent of edition filed on 7/1/2006 and granted on 15/2/2009 in pursuance of a complete specification for main invention which was filed on 23/8/2005 and granted on 30/10/2008 if neither patent is revoked prior to the term of validity is answer is B 30/10/2028. Kindly see section 55. Term of patent of edition is equal to term of patent of main invention, and the term starts from the filing, that is 23/8/2005. Question number 3. The central government is empowered to revoke a patent in public interest. Answer is B. After hearing the patentee. See section 66. Revocation of patent in public interest. Next question 4. Register of patent will contain. Answer will be A, B, D and E. Kindly see section 67. Register of patent. Question number 5. A patentee whose patent is lapsed and restored can. Answer is B. License after restoration of the patent. See section 62. Right of patentees of lapsed patent which have been restored. Question number 6. Compulsory license for export under Indian Patent Act is for. Answer is A and B. See section 92A. Compulsory license for export of patented pharmaceutical products. Question number 7. A patent infringement case should be initiated only in. Answer is A and B, in district court or in high court in case of counterclaim. Kindly see section 104. Jurisdiction of infringement suit. Question number 8. Once a compulsory license is granted. Answer is D. All of the above. Kindly see section 94. Termination of compulsory license. Question number 9. When a biological material has been mentioned in a patent application, it must be deposited with the International Depository Authority. Answer is B and C. When it is not capable of being fully described in the application, when it is not easily available in India. Kindly see section 10 subclause 4. In the provision, you will find the answer. Question number 10. In a post-grant opposition, the person opposing shall submit. Answer is A, B and C. Kindly see Rule 55. Question number 11. When submitting a patent application, the drawing should be. Answer is B and C. Kindly see Rule 15 for drawings. Question number 12. An international application can be filed. Answer is A and C. Kindly see Rule 19. International application filed with appropriate office as receiving office. Question number 13. The Intellectual Property Appellate Board is A. Statutory body. D. Is a board where the controller has the right to appear before its legal proceeding. Kindly see section 116, that is Appellate Board. Question number 14. If the stamp of patent pending is used by anyone before the grant of the patent, such an act. Answer is A. Is liable for a punishment of rupees 1 lakh and D. Allowed if there is an indication it has been applied outside India. If it is inside India, then it is liable for an punishment. Kindly see section 120. Unauthorized claim of patent rights. Question number 15. A request for examination for a ordinary application can be filed. Answer is D. Anytime within 48 months of filing the complete specification, and E. That is before or after publication. Kindly see Rule 24B. and request for examination is made in Form 18 and the time period is within 48 months from the filing of complete specification. Part A2 is true and false. Question number 1. A model or sample of an invention should be submitted as part of the specification. No, they are not part of the specification. So, statement is false. Kindly see section 10 subclause 3. Question number 2. Any Indian resident can file a patent in any SAARC country before filing it in India. Statement is true. Kindly see section 8. Question number 3. A pre-grant opposition has to be filed within 6 months of the application of the invention by the Patent Office. Statement is false. Kindly see section 25. A pre-grant opposition can be filed after publication of application and before the grant. Question number 4. A lapsed patent can be restored by filing a case in district court. Statement is false. It has to be filed before the controller. Kindly see section 60. Question number 5. A patent acquired by the government for public purpose is not entitled for any compensation for the owner of the patent. The owner is entitled for compensation. So a statement is false. Kindly see section 102. Question number 6. In a patent matter, a court can give declaration or injunction against groundless threat but cannot award damage as a relief. Statement is false. It can award damages. Kindly see section 106. Question number 7. Any counterclaim in a suit for infringement can be brought before the appellate board. No, it can be brought before the High Court. So a statement is false. Kindly see section 104. Jurisdiction. Question number 8. The controller has the power to amend the abstract for providing better information to third parties. The statement is true. Kindly see section 10 subclause 4. In the proviso you will get the answer. Question number 9. The controller can issue a compulsory license in circumstances of national emergency, extreme emergency and public non-commercial use. Statement is true. Kindly see section 92. Question number 10. A legal representative of any deceased person who immediately before his death was entitled to make an application for patent. Statement is true. Kindly see section 6 clause 1 subclause C. Next question is from part B. I will give you the relevant section. Kindly go through the sections and try to answer the questions. In 1, kindly see section 50 clause 3. For 2, kindly see section 50 clause 2. For question number 3, kindly see section 50 clause 3. And for question number 4, kindly see section 50 clause 4. So next question is, enumerate the 4 key issues under the Indian Patent Act on search for anticipation by previous publication and by prior claim. Kindly see section 29, 30, 31 and 32. These are all anticipation sections. Question 3. List at least 10 subject matter of invention that are not patentable under the Indian Patent Act. There are 15 subject matter under section 3. So kindly go through section 3. Question 4. Enumerate the 3 key issues relating to the power of the controller to make order respecting division of application under Indian Patent Act. Kindly see section 16, division of application. Question number 5. Patents are granted subject to certain conditions. Enumerate the conditions with reference to the relevant section of the Patent Act. Kindly see section 47. The exceptions are there. For question number 4, kindly see the PCT timeline. Search on Google about the PCT timeline. you will get the answer. For question number 7, enumerate the essential grounds and procedural aspect of post-grant opposition under the Indian Patent Act. Kindly see section 25 clause 2 for post-grant opposition. Question number 8. Discuss the relevant section and rules on amendment of application and specification under the Patent Act. Kindly see section 57. That's the end of question paper. Kindly follow my Instagram page for important and relevant section of Patent Act. Thanks for watching my video.